Let's learn Scootin' Bootin'. It's choreographed by Mark Paulino. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance with a tag on wall 4 and a restart on wall 7, both after 20 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about where and when that tag and restart happen, and then we're going to dance 8 walls of the dance so that you can practice both of them and hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Scootin' Bootin'. Section 1, your way is going to start on your left foot. We are going to do a heel kick. So what that means is you're going to kick your right foot forward, but you want to do it with a flexed toe. So you're going to kick your right foot forward, toe up, heel down towards the ground. And there should be space between your heel and the floor. We're now going to do a hook. So that hook, when you do that kick, you're bringing your right heel up quickly towards your left shin, and you want to make a slight figure 4 with your knee. So let's try it. Weights on that left foot. You're doing your right heel kick forward. So you're kicking that right heel forward. Bring your right heel up towards your left shin for a hook. And then you're going to kick your right heel back down and forward and step your right foot next to your left. We're now going to repeat that with our left foot. So you're going to do a left heel kick forward, kicking that left heel forward. Bring your left heel up towards your right shin, doing a hook. Kick your left heel forward. And now we're going to quickly step our left foot to the left side, and we're going to touch our right next to our left and hold. You're now going to quickly step your right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right, and hold. What Mark wants you to do is, when you do that hop, you're going to push your hip to the left. So you're going to go hop, bump, recover. Now you're going to do the same thing to the right. When you hop to the right, you're going to push your hip to the right, hop, bump, and bump. So the counts are going to feel like and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 when you do those hip bumps. If you choose not to do the hip bumps, it's and 5, hold 6, and 7, hold 8. So you just want to add those extra little hip bumps in. It fits the music. So let's try it with some counts. You're doing that heel kick forward with your right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to rock our left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and as you recover onto your right, you want to start angling your body towards the left. We're going to do a half shuffle over our left shoulder. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our left foot to the side. You're now at 9 o'clock. Step your right foot next to your left and make another quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left. You're now at 6 o'clock. We're going to cross rock our right over our left, recover back onto your right, and we're going to do a quarter turning side shuffle, stepping our right foot to the right side, left foot next to right, and you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your right foot. We touched our left next to our right. We're rocking our left foot to the side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And when you do that cross rock, you want to feel like this is kind of a little extra twist. So when you make that turn, you can guide yourself into that quarter turning side shuffle. Section 3, weights on your right foot. We're going to step forward with our left foot. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side. When you do this, I want you to slightly over rotate it. So instead of being directly facing 6 o'clock, you want to open your hips more towards the back diagonal, because we are now making a quarter turning coaster step over our left shoulder. So you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your left, step your right foot next to your left, and step your left foot forward. If you over rotate that quarter turn slightly, it will help make that motion feel a little smoother. We're now going to repeat that, but with our right foot. So we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side. And as you do this, you want to slightly over rotate your hips. So you're not just facing 6, you're facing slightly off-centered, more towards 7:30. And now we're going to finish that turn. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our right, step your left foot next to your right, step your right foot forward, and you'll end facing 9 o'clock. So let's try it with some counts. We just step forward with our right foot to do that quarter turning shuffle. We're gonna step forward with our left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You want those turns to feel like they're all blending into each other. So allow for a little bit of smoothness as you do that step. You want your body to guide you into those turns. Section 4 and our final section of the dance. We just did our coaster step, weights on your right foot. We're gonna step forward with our left and we're going to clap our hands, step left and do a single clap. We're now gonna step forward with our right and we're going to do a double clap with our hands. We're now gonna rock forward with our left, recover back onto your right, and you're going to do a left coaster step, left back, right together, left forward. And that will be the end of the dance. So let's try it with some counts, weights on your right foot. You're stepping with the left and clapping. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you would start the dance all over again with your heel kick, hook, heel kick, step. So let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts before we talk about the tag and the restart. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your heel kick, hook, heel kick, step, heel kick, hook, heel kick, quick step, bump, quick step, bump, side rock, recover, half shuffle, cross rock, recover, quarter, side shuffle, step, quarter, quarter, coaster, step, step, quarter, quarter, coaster, step, step, clap, step, double clap, rock, recover, coaster, step. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left foot, you're doing your heel kick. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tag and the restart. So our tag is going to be on wall 4, which is your 3 o'clock facing wall. We're going to dance up to 20 counts, which is the first half of that forward quarter, quarter coaster step that we do in section 3. So let's dance up to that part. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your heel kick, hook, heel kick, step, heel kick, hook, heel kick, step, touch and bump, step, touch and bump. Side rock, recover, half shuffle, cross rock, recover, quarter, side together, quarter. Now you're doing your forward quarter, quarter coaster step. You're facing 6 o'clock. At this point, we're going to add our tag. We're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover onto your left, and we're going to do a half shuffle over our right shoulder. Make a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the side. Left foot together, make another quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot. You're at 12 o'clock. We're now going to rock forward with our left foot, recover onto your right, and we're going to do a half shuffle over our left shoulder, stepping our left foot to the side, making that quarter turn. Step your right foot next to your left, make another quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock, and you will start the dance all over. So let's try just that tag with some counts. So we would have danced the first 20 counts, which puts us at 6 o'clock. We're going to do our rock half shuffle. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This now becomes wall 5. You'll dance wall 5, wall 6, wall 7 is our 12 o'clock facing wall. You're going to dance up to the same point that our tag happens in, and then you're going to restart the dance. So let's practice it. We're here. Weights on your left foot. You're doing your heel hook, heel step, heel hook, heel step, touch with the bump, step, touch with the bump, side rock, recover, half shuffle, cross rock, recover, quarter shuffle, step, quarter, quarter coaster step. At this point, you will restart the dance with your heel kick, hook, heel kick, step. It happens those 2 times, and after that, you just dance the rest of the dance all the way through without having to worry about anything. So we're going to go around, we're going to dance 8 walls of the dance so that we can practice the transitions from the tag and the restart so that you know where everything happens when you go to dance this. Weight is on your left foot, we're facing 12 o'clock. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we will do counts. Weight's on that left foot, you're doing your heel kick. Kick, hook, kick, step, kick, hook, kick, step, tap with a hip, step, tap with a hip, side rock. Recover, half shuffle, cross rock, recover, quarter turning shuffle. Cross, quarter, quarter, coaster, step, cross, quarter, quarter, coaster, step, step, clap, step, double clap, rock, recover, coaster, step. Now your heels. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Kick, hook, kick, step, kick, hook, kick, step, touch with a hip, step, touch with a hip, side rock, half shuffle, cross rock, quarter turning shuffle. Step, quarter, quarter, coaster, step, step, quarter, quarter, coaster, step, step, clap, step, double clap, rocking coaster, step. 20 counts and then your tag. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Do your tag or rock. Half shuffle. Rock, half shuffle. Now start over. Heel hook, heel step, heel hook, heel step, touch with a bump, step, touch with a bump. Side rock, recover, half shuffle. Cross rock, recover, quarter turning shuffle. Side, quarter, quarter, coaster, step, step, quarter, quarter, coaster, step, step, clap, step, double clap, rocking coaster, step. Now your heel. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 20 counts and then you restart. Heel hook, heel step, heel hook, heel step, touch with a bump, step, touch with a bump. Side rock, recover, half shuffle. Cross rock, recover, quarter turning shuffle. Cross, side, quarter, coaster, step, restart. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. The dance ends when you would be doing your shuffles. I end by, when I do my side rock, I just shuffle to face the front, but you don't have to. You can just dance to the end of the dance and end wherever you end. I hope this helps you learn Scootin' Bootin'. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys. All right, it's done. Thank the Lord. All right, let's go.